Alright, so I just set the first one up, and I'll try to set this one up, and I'll go through the steps. Alright, so here's the nugget charger. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug this in. Okay, so it's plugged in. I see the little blue light. I can't remember if the other one... So, okay, plugged in, didn't do anything. Camera's just making noise. So now I'm going to open the newer app. I mean, not newer, the Reolink app. Okay, so now I have the Reolink open, but I don't have this camera connected yet. So I'm going to hit the little plus up here. Okay, so now it's asking me to scan. So I'm going to scan through the back camera. I'm going to scan this thing. I don't want to show it on camera. But I'm going to scan the little scan thing underneath. There we go. So it finally scanned. And now I see all these options. Choose Wi-Fi connection. Please make sure the camera is powered and turned on. It's powered and turned on. So now I'll just hit next. Please power on the camera, wait for voice prompts. I have heard the ding sounds from the camera. So now I'm here. I've heard the ding sounds from the camera. I will tap that and then I'll hit next. So now it's asking for my Wi-Fi stuff. So I'm just going to put in my password. And mine's saved on my phone, so it makes it easier. So I put in my password for my home Wi-Fi and then I hit next. So now I have this. It says scan now. So I'm just going to tap scan now. And my QR code is now showing on my phone. So I'm just going to let my camera scan it. Now my camera
is connecting to your router. Please wait.
Okay, so now it's turning. Now
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Now it's doing its thing.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
So now I still have the QR code on my screen. I'm going to tap I have heard beep sound from the camera. I will tap on that and then I'll hit next. It just says connection to
the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
And now it says I have heard the voice prompt, so I have heard the voice prompt, so I'll hit next. And now it's just starting initialization. And the cat's going to go in the box. Don't go in the box, baby. It's too loud. She's going to go in the box anyway. Alright, so now I just have to create a device password. So now I've just added a random password for this camera and I've set the camera name. I'm going to hit next. And now I'm just going to take a screenshot of my QR code, so if I want to share it, then I can. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of that. You can do that from within the app, but I like to take screenshots. Save the QR code, okay, and then finish. Okay, so now we're just in the Reolink app and I just tapped the camera. So I just tapped this camera, let's see what we can see. So now we're good to go. And that's about it. So let me know hopefully this was helpful. Let me know at which point you have an issue or a problem, and I can try to figure that out, but hopefully going through these steps made something clear and hopefully it works. Alright?
got to get the high res, baby. I got to get you in high res.